In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Google Calendar. Whether you're organizing your schedule for work projects, coordinating family activities, or just want to stay on top of your personal appointments, creating a separate calendar can help you manage everything more efficiently. So let's dive right in and simplify that process for you. To get started, you'll want to open up Google Calendar. If you're not already there, head over to your preferred web browser and type in calendar.google.com. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a sidebar on the left-hand side. From there, look for the section labeled Other Calendars. This is where you'll be able to add new calendars to your account. Now, next to Other Calendars, you'll see a small plus sign. Go ahead and click on that. A menu will drop down giving you several options. From this menu, select Create New Calendar. It's as simple as that. Once you've clicked it, a new page will open up allowing you to input the details of your new calendar. Here's where you can personalize your calendar to suit your needs. First, you'll need to enter a name for your calendar. This could be something like work projects if you're looking to organize tasks and deadlines, or family schedule if you're managing everyone's activities at home. The name should be specific enough that you immediately know what that calendar is for. Next, there's an option to add a description. This part is completely optional, but it can be useful if you want to make a note of the types of events you'll be adding to this calendar or any additional context that might be helpful in the future. After naming and perhaps describing your new calendar, the next step is to configure the time zone. It's particularly important if you're dealing with international tasks or coordinating with people across different regions. Make sure this is set correctly to match your primary location, as it will ensure all your events are scheduled at the right times. Once you've filled in all the details, all that's left to do is hit Create Calendar. You'll find this button is usually located at the bottom of the page, and just like that, you've successfully made a new Google Calendar. Your new calendar will now appear under My Calendars on the left sidebar, where you can easily access it alongside any other calendars you might already have. And there you have it! You've created a brand new Google Calendar tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're organizing work commitments or planning family outings, you now have a dedicated space to track and manage your time. Feel free to customize your calendar further as you go along, and don't hesitate to explore other features Google Calendar has to offer. Thanks for watching,